No entry. Vehicles are not allowed to enter. No parking. You cannot park your vehicle here. No pedestrians. People are not allowed to walk here. Pedestrian crossing. People may cross the road here. No straight ahead. Going straight is not allowed. No heavy goods vehicles. Heavy trucks are not allowed. Slippery road. The road may be slippery, drive carefully. Falling rocks. Rocks may fall on the road. No overtaking. Do not pass other vehicles. Slow down. Reduce your speed. Give way. Let other vehicles go first. No motorcycles. Motorcycles are not allowed. No bicycles. Bicycles are not allowed. Right turn ahead. Turn right ahead. Left turn ahead. Turn left ahead. No right turn. Right turn is not allowed. No left turn. Left turn is not allowed. No horn. Do not use the horn. U-turn ahead. You can take a U-turn ahead. No U-turn. U-turn is not allowed. Speed limit. Do not drive faster than the given speed. No stopping. Do not stop your vehicle. No waiting. Do not wait or stop for long. Roundabout ahead. A circular road is ahead. Buses only. Only buses are allowed. Bicycles only. Only bicycles are allowed. No motor vehicles. Motor vehicles are not allowed. Traffic signals ahead. Traffic lights are ahead. Road work. Road repair work is going on. Side wind. Strong wind from the side. Tunnel ahead. A tunnel is ahead. Curve ahead. The road will bend. Winding road ahead. The road has many turns. Double bend. Two sharp turns ahead. No trucks. Trucks are not allowed. No overtaking trucks. Trucks cannot overtake. Crossroads. Roads cross each other ahead. Wild animals. Wild animals may cross the road. Quayside or riverbank. River or water is near the road. Road narrows. The road becomes narrow. Narrow bridge. The bridge is narrow. Divided highway. Road is divided into two sides. Speed hump. A bump on the road to slow vehicles. Yield. Slow down and give way. Side road ahead. A small road joins ahead. Uneven road. The road surface is not smooth. Snow ahead. Snow on the road ahead. Snow chains required. Use snow chains on tires. Stop. You must stop the vehicle completely.